Are you tired of background noise ruining your streams or calls? Today, we're diving into Nvidia Broadcast and AMD Noise Suppression to see how they stack up against each other. Both tools aim to improve your audio experience by reducing unwanted sounds. They help make your voice clearer so you can focus on what matters most during your online sessions. First, let's talk about Nvidia Broadcast. This software uses powerful AI technology to filter out background noise. It can remove sounds like keyboard clicks, dog barks, or any other distractions. Plus, it offers features like virtual backgrounds and auto framing, which are great for content creators. Now, let's look at AMD Noise Suppression. This tool also uses AI to eliminate noise during calls and streams. It's designed to work seamlessly with various applications. AMD focuses on simplicity and ease of use, making it easy for anyone to set up and start using right away. When comparing the two, the main difference is in their features. Nvidia Broadcast offers more options like video enhancements and virtual backgrounds. In contrast, AMD noise suppression is straightforward, focusing mainly on audio clarity. In terms of pricing, Nvidia Broadcast is free for Nvidia GPU users, while AMD noise suppression comes included with AMD software for their graphics cards. Both are great options, but it depends on your needs. If you're a content creator looking for advanced features, Nvidia Broadcast might be your best bet. However, if you want something simple and effective for calls or casual streaming, AMD Noise Suppression is a solid choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.